Ever felt overwhelmed by investing? Like it's only for Wall Street wizards and not for everyday folks like us? Well, today we're breaking down Stashaway, a platform designed to make investing simple and accessible, even if you're just starting out. Stashaway is essentially a robo-advisor. Think of it as your own personal investing assistant. You tell Stashaway your investment goals, things like retirement, a down payment, or even a dream vacation. Based on your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon, Stashaway automatically builds and manages a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets. How it works for beginners. Now, here's the beginner-friendly part. Simple sign-up. The process is super easy. You create an account, answer a few questions about your financial situation and investment goals, and that's it. Risk assessment. Stashaway assesses your risk tolerance. Are you a cautious investor who prefers to play it safe, or are you more adventurous and willing to take on more risk for potentially higher returns? Portfolio creation. Based on your answers, Stashaway creates a personalized investment portfolio. This portfolio is typically comprised of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which are like baskets of stocks and bonds. Automated investing. You can set up recurring investments, making it easy to consistently contribute to your goals. Rebalancing. Stashaway regularly rebalances your portfolio, ensuring it stays aligned with your risk profile and investment goals. Benefits for beginners. Accessibility. Stashaway makes investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their investment experience or the amount they can invest. Affordability. Many plans have low minimum investment amounts, making it easy to get started. Diversification. Stashaway automatically diversifies your portfolio across different asset classes, reducing your overall risk. Convenience. Everything is managed online, making it easy to track your investments and make changes whenever needed. Education. Stashaway provides educational resources to help you learn more about investing. Important considerations. Fees. Stashaway charges management fees, so it's important to understand the fee structure before investing. Risk. While diversification helps reduce risk, investing always carries some level of risk. Goal alignment. Ensure your investment goals align with the Stashaway plans available. Stashaway can be a great option for beginners looking to get started with investing. It simplifies the process, provides professional management, and makes it easy to build wealth over time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.